Here's one you don't see us get in every day. Beautiful 1979 Lincoln Town Car. Dark cordovan metallic with the matching cordovan cloth interior and the pillow seats. Cool 1979's luxury. Last year of this body style before they downsized the Lincoln Town Car. Had a 400 V8 underneath the hood, paired with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted to the R134. It does have the updated refrigerant in it. As you can see, it's not all chipped up or scratched up. Nice luster of the paint. Yeah, there's going to be some small rock chips and stuff in it. It's not perfect, but in very, very nice shape. Car has a little over 74,000 miles. When we get around to the driver's side, we can take a look at that. Chrome and bright works in nice shape. Check out the still pictures too. You can see the still pictures, engine bay, trunk, interior of the car. Still pictures are going to be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. But just look down the side of that car. You know how long it is. Look at how straight it is. Very nice looking car. Very nice shape. Partial vinyl roof back here. Again, you'd like to see the still pictures, trunk. Everything appears to be stock on this car. You look inside the trunk, still has all the filler panels and carpeting, like it would have came with from Lincoln. And those still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call if you got questions on transportation, maybe getting it to your location, or questions on the car. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Again, look down the length of this car. See how straight it is. Nice luster in the paint. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. So you can see it with still has the stock interior, and so I'm going to show you. If I get back here, there's the true color of the interior. It's a cordovan. It matches the exterior of the car. The problem is when I get up close with the camera, it's going to wash out and look more brown. That's not the color of the car or of the interior. It's more of the burgundy, richer burgundy, kind of washes out. If you look at the pictures, you'll see, you'll get a good idea of the color in the pictures because I have the flash on in the camera. Power seats both sides, power mirrors. This was a very luxurious car in 1979. Still has the stock stereo, stock dash, all the stock components. Does have an aftermarket cup holder down here, a little aftermarket gauge pod that they put in for the battery and temperature and oil. Let's go ahead and fire it up. First of all, let me show you the miles over here. If you can get in there where you can see it. 74,293. As you can see, the car starts easily. Low fuel light does work on it. No other lights on the dash. Very smooth running car. Slip out here so you can hear the engine run. How nice, and the door closes. No loud, crazy, obnoxious exhaust on this one, not like a lot of the other hot rods would get. Nope, just a nice, smooth running stock engine. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to inquire about this 1979 Lincoln Town Car.